It's extremely annoying to have these kinds of issues. I had to try something. The PRP injection was not at all painful. After the PRP procedure, I feel so much better. My pain level has decreased dramatically. My name is JoPaula. I am retired from LSU, and now I basically do quilting, needlepoint, gardening, playing with grandkids. From gardening, of course, you're using your hand, you're bending down, you're on your knees, and it takes a fair amount of strength and durability of these joints, even just getting up from a kneeling position. It's extremely annoying and frustrating because I feel too young to have these kinds of issues that really limit everything that I enjoy doing in life. I did a little research on PRP and felt like I had to try something that would prolong knee replacement surgery. The PRP injection was not at all painful, very similar to receiving a steroid injection. I'm optimistic, if I follow Dr. Warner's advice, that I should get some relief. Since the PRP procedure by Dr. Warner, my pain level has decreased dramatically. I feel so much better. My knee has more flexibility than it did. My activity level has increased to the point where I don't hesitate to get up and move. Dr. Warner, to me, has been really on the leading edge of treatment, and I highly recommend Dr. Warner and Warner Orthopedics and Wellness to anyone considering PRP or orthopedic treatment. She has really changed the way I'm able to move, and that has really increased my quality of life tremendously.